Greetings, salutations. Welcome to our series on Portswigger Web Security Academy. We are currently covering command injection, simple case. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and click Access the Lab. I'll bring up a new tab. So the application executes a shell command containing user-supplied product and store ID, and returns the raw output from the command and its response. To solve this lab, we need to execute whoami command to determine the name of the current user. All right. We'll have this come up and we'll click on the first that comes up, like these darts, label darts. And we'll scroll down to the bottom of the page. We see like it says London. We'll click check stop. It says 62 units. Now back to Burp Suite, we will have the, we have this open in the browser. We're going to click intercept on, go back to here, site, click check stop again, and Burp Suite should now have the post request. Now that we have it there, we will right click it and send to repeater. Oh, remember, we can also do Control R. Once we do, we'll have it. Alrighty. So we have this L and store ID plus 1. So to give you some pretext about the ampersand, we do PWD, right? That is present working directory. It shows you where we are. If we do something like ls, that shows you the directories that we can view. But if we do pwd ampersand, right, ls, shows us both our present working directory, print present working directory, and also lists out the directories. If we put a space around that ampersand, it does the same thing. Now, with that in mind, that's going to give us leeway here, potentially. Let's see if we can abuse it. Oh, before we continue, I wanted to show you one thing that I did. I went to the settings up here, that little gear, and then I went to the users. I typed in font up here, went to message editor, and I changed the font to 16. So hopefully this makes it easier for everyone to view. All right, so we're going to come in here, grab the L, put space. We're going to do one of those beautiful ampersands. We'll type in whoami space, and we're going to click send. This might fail. Let's see. It didn't really do anything different, right? So let's highlight all of the text that we entered, the space, ampersand, whoami, space, and we're going to do Control U. And that's going to URL encode it, and we'll click send. We've got something different. But to show you another way, we can right click that, convert selection, URL encode key characters. All right, so now we see this /home/Peter, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's cool, but we're not quite there, are we? So we could think that maybe the issue is whoever script this is running in is causing a problem. What if we did something such as hashtag or #, right? And we'll highlight that, and then to Control U again, so we URL encode it. Click send. Hey, we have the username Peter. Now to prove that we got this correct, we're going to turn off the interceptor, go back over here, and click refresh, and solved. If you are curious why this image changed, while I was making this video, my lab session timed out. I was having a little difficulty. So, if you saw it, awesome on you. But let's go back to repeat. And go back just for some fun. If you want to try, you don't have to. But you do see where the /home Peter, blah, blah, /stock report shell curious. Figure it out? If you can, tell me in the comments below. All right, guys, I want you to be safe, be ethical, and do good. All right, bye-bye. Oh, yeah, remember, cat command might be your friend. All right, bye-bye.